A few weeks ago, we went to Texas to visit Vego Garden's farm, warehouse, and meet up with other creators. We want to share a small part of that trip with you. This is one of those experiences that just sticks with you. Day one, we arrived at Vego Farm, and this is where they actually test all of their products out in the real gardening conditions, not just ideas on paper, but real use in real gardens. Raised beds, trellising systems, rolling containers for citrus, tools, and greenhouses. Right away, we got to meet other creators from all over the world. The Vego team and even the CEO. And I will say, everyone was just incredibly welcoming. It didn't feel corporate. It felt like being around people who genuinely love what they do. We spent time walking through their products, seeing what they're currently working on, and even getting a look on what's coming up in the future, which is really exciting. And as someone who actually uses their beds on my own homestead, it meant a lot to see the thought and the intention behind everything. That evening, we went to a farm-to-table dinner, which was such a special part of the trip. It gave everyone a chance to slow down, visit, share stories, and get to know each other a little better outside the farm setting. We talked with other creators, learned more about the Vego team, and just enjoyed being a part of a group of people who care about growing, creating, and sharing good things. The entire group was amazing, and I mean the entire group. Then day two, we went back out to the farm, and all of us creators got to get our hands in the soil and actually plant in the Vego raised beds. And this part was a little funny. All of us creators got to plant in the raised beds, and let's just say the Utah crew claimed a bed until Texas and Wisconsin kind of invaded it.
We're gonna start with these four. Okay. You guys get to do whatever you want. I want to cherish these beds forever and ever.
Oh, there's no Texas part in the Utah bed.
Right here. Hey, don't forget Wisconsin. I need a pin.
It's the line right here.
You're not gonna water Texas?
No, I'm watering Texas. I'm gonna water them all equally because I
got that on film.
You know,
she said she wasn't watering Texas.
It turned into a little funny standoff, but honestly, those are the moments you remember. It wasn't just about planting, it was about working together, sharing ideas, seeing how everyone grows a little differently depending on where they live. We spent more time that day talking through ideas, content, and gardening methods. It was really just a great time connecting and learning from each other. And then later, we got to tour the Vego warehouse. Seeing that side of things really puts everything into perspective. How things are run, how products are handled, and the scale of what they're doing. But more than anything, what stood out to me was the people. You can tell when a company truly cares about their employees, about their customers, and about the quality of what they're putting out into the world. And that matters. Because it's one thing to recommend a product, but it's another to stand behind the people and the values behind it. So for me, I left feeling really grateful for the experience and confident sharing their products, knowing how much care actually goes into them. It was an incredible trip and definitely one we won't forget. And just when you think Vego is all about gardening, raised beds, and growing beautiful things, apparently it's about rodeo skills. Gardening, good people, great products, and a little Vego rodeo. What more could you ask for?